Banana balls? Hey, what you talking about banana balls, man? I don't come from no banana balls. Let's get one thing straight, man. I'm a political refugee, man. Ain't no freaking banana ball over here. I got your banana ball right here, man. Potato, man. You're a fucking potato. You know what we do with potatoes in Cuba, huh, man? We cut them up just like this. Very nice. Yeah. That's what's left of your potato right here, man. Here you go. Here's your fucking banana boat, man. There it is. You can have your banana boat just the way you like it, Frank. Okay?